And
Yeah.
I think that's oddly, I think that's a perspective that most game developers don't have. Because what you just said is essentially you said the pure version of, I want to make a game that people want to buy.
I mean, pretty much, yeah.
But at the end of the day, to make a game that people want to buy means that, or to make a game that's marketable, AKA that means you're making a game that people want. And there's a part of you, and I think this is a good thing, there's a part of you that wants to make something for people as opposed to for yourself. And I think a lot of game developers,
Yeah.
they get so stuck in the mindset of creating something for themselves. The problem with that is that yourself and your desires change throughout the 2-year development process. So you can never please yourself, so you're always adding crap that you shouldn't be adding. You know what I mean?
True. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. It's like it's kind of one of these things where when you're making games for other people, it's almost like you never fully have that like Goldilocks period where you're just completely infatuated with what you're creating, but you never get to the point of like purely despising it. So it's like a little bit more of an even experience throughout development emotionally, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a different way of approaching things, I suppose.
I think I think in a weird way it's a purer way to make games. And the older I get, the more I'm like, if I make this game, if the initial impetus of this game is to be profitable, I'll be in a better headspace because I'll treat it more like it's a business, more like it's a product, and it won't consume me. It won't become my baby. It won't become my obsession, but rather it's just a project as if I was a business owner, right? Same sort of thing.
Yeah.